Go on, my people, look who crawl out of exile. It's your boy Albino, the prophet of pure Rami energy. Back on the vlog after my little self-inflicted bush retreat. Stay tuned, my people. Boredom soon. Buck up on full Rami energy. The woman and the 13 picnic, them gone pan family trip. And me there in the bush trying to keep busy. Me tell you, this place dull right now. No chaos, no vibes, just quiet. Peaceful in the kind of way where make you want to pull out your own ear. Painfully soul crushing, dead silent, quiet. I miss the kids. Not hard though. I could have raid a man farm, eat down a hole and a banana, and I get a belly full. But I swear, even that can't hype me up right now. I need an enemy. I need a mission. Something to give my life a little edge again. Sometimes I have to stop and ask myself, who is my worst enemy? The farmer or the butcher? Like I say, I could have raid a farmer banana patch. But for what? Same old show. Him with a ball for days fling rock stone, cuss my mama, then plant more banana tree. Predictable man, the whole war feels stale. Look here upon yourself, Albino, the prophet of mayhem, unemployed. Sad state of affair, national tragedy. You're supposed to be inspiring the masses, and yet they are staring in a puddle, arguing. Boredom take the championship, my people. I call it boredom of the winner today. Me I go scope out the farmer them from the edge of the bush. Check what them are going with. Not for buck them, just call it research. Anthropological study of happiness. Plus, I want to know if them plant anything good for yam. Me out here hide like a paparazzi, like some perverted goat in the bush. This year, new all-time low for me. The one we are wiping face every minute because look lazy, bad in a real life. And the next one with the big hat, look like I am yam down all the curry goat and lick out the pot. If me jump out right now upon them, me swear, them would have flattened the whole bush. Watch this. Yo, sir! Ooh! Run, run! A goat man! A the dumpy goat man! Now lift up! You see what I tell you? Look there! Them take off like a jet plane. Jet a flight! Boy, me I tell you, this is too easy. The farmer them soft. Soft, soft like whipped cream. Me I tell you. Make we go find the next farmer and see what kind of big plan him a cook up over there. Look pan them. That brother here look like if somebody not stop him soon, he might go milk out the whole cow population. Yeah! Yeah! Run, 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 run! Ram goat energy! No, come back! Me tell you, them now ready for the ram goat energy. My heart pumping. I feel alive again. My primal senses tingling and a fire upon all cylinder. Whoa, 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 wait there now. What that sound? Wait there now. Something mash down them tree top there. Look here. You know what? This is exactly what I need. A good old mystery to keep me sharp. Okay. Okay, me close now. Haffi, be quiet. Wait, what that? No, sir, you're not gonna believe this. It looked like one big shiny egg. I don't know who or what did I fly this, but in the pilot really lit the ground hard. Look on this. It got markings on it, some dots, some line, and one triangle. Yeah, me got nothing. I don't know what that mean, but me sure it not come from Earth. Oh. If a ship crash so, then that means somebody did drive it. So, when the pilot there, a spaceship, then there have to be a spaceman, right? Hello, Mr. Spaceman. Me bring greetings from Earth. Guys, me no want to alarm nobody, but wait, you see this too? There's a little grey guy. And me think him looks sad. Okay, just to be clear, we all see this, right? Me nah dream, me nah eat no bushweed. Is this a real life alien? My people, Jamaica have visitors. Hey, my youth, you alright? Look upon him look so sad. Like him need a friend. Okay, be cool. Me I try stay calm, my people. But him there right in my arm. Look ya. Alright, my people, me calm now. Me there with my new friend, me not even know him name yet. But look ya. My boss, me have to ask, why your name can't just carry around and call you alien like a pet goat? So why them call you outer space?
Zooks.
Is that your name? Zooks? Where you come here for? Me think him say him come for vacation. But Jamaica? That a bold choice, my boss. The sun hot, people loud, and mosquito bite like vampire. But me glad you land here, so. Yeah, man, me overstand. Long flight, rough landing, jet lag, mash you up bad. Me I tell you, my people, this feel like one sci-fi movie for real. Me go and help you get back home. Just not start glowing on my hand, me beg you. Sorry about your ship, my friend. But welcome to Jamrock.